Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, then you come to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on color ID settings, just click on it here. Then you come to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you come to edit your color card display preference, and here can you select if you want to show in all calls or only not in my contacts calls. Here can you select here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.